Temperature monitoring in industrial plants was conventionally restricted to points and surfaces. It also relied on human surveillance. However, temperature monitoring throughout large plants without blank areas is difficult due to technical and cost issues. Because of this, it is hard to comply with the corporate HSE policy. Nevertheless, with the recent increase of accidents in plants, it is of utmost importance that companies take steps to address these safety risks. Yokogawa can solve these problems with the DTSX series fiber optic temperature sensors. The fiber optic sensing enables temperature monitoring along the line, in addition to points and surfaces. DTSX can locate the specific position of abnormality by temperature monitoring over long distances and wide areas with no blind spots. As the optical fiber does not require a compensation cable, it can easily be installed for temperature monitoring. Also, it can be used in explosion-proof environments, and it is not susceptible to electromagnetic noise and lightning. For the set features, DTSX is ideal for long-distance and wide-area temperature monitoring. DTSX has been increasingly used in a variety of applications, such as fire detection, leak detection, and preventive maintenance. With increasing demands for HSE, is your company ready? Yokogawa provides optimal temperature monitoring solutions, integrating all aspects of point, surface, and line. With 100 years of our customers' trust, Yokogawa is always with you.